कमिशनरेट पुलिस हाथ में अंतरराज्य एटीएम लुटेरा गैंग राज्य में विभिन्न स्थान में होता एटीएम लुट्र हेब पर्दाफाश केते गैंग बा किए किए माने गैंग रे सामिल थिले किभली भाव में लुट करथिले कौन थिला तांकर प्रक्रिया ए तमाम विषय वर्तमान स्पष्ट करिवे पुलिस डीजी।
Some ATM theft cases has been reported. ATM theft cases. In recent past, inside Odisha, some ATM theft cases have been reported. These cases were of different type. Some were of the very crude nature, breaking the ATM, and certain cases involving highly sophisticated skill by using different malware and other technology. On 25 to 17, a case is registered belonging to the Central Bank of India, where a theft of rupees 10,32,800 from ATM of Palaspalli has taken place. Similarly, of the similar nature, we studied the cases reported in the Lalbagh police station of the Cuttack, Kumarpada police station of the Puri district, and other places. In these cases were totally different from the others because there were no breaking of the ATM or mark of violence. After studying the mobiles of that area, video recording and footing of the ATMs, and getting opinions of the different technological experts, and our officers could work out that this is a very highly technical nature of the theft. In this case, the thieves or the persons have not used the mobile phone. Even they have not used mobile phone for conversation. They were using one app, Viker, through which they were communicating. And this Viker has a self-destruction mode where all communication were removed. After some times, it was making our job more difficult. However, after the dumb analysis and analyzing various IP addresses, our team worked out, and we came to know that in such cases, these persons are using a Chinese malware who they first install with the help of USB port into the ATM, and they reboot it totally, and they take a screenshot of the ATM and send it to their partner sitting remote area, who generates the password. Then these passwords are entered into the ATM dispenses currency, and ATM dispenses currency of high denomination notes. In that way, there is no mark of violence, nothing inside the ATM, and simple note is dispensed and they take away. For the first time, we have worked out this is a very skilled theft, and our team of the Commissionerate Police has done a very commendable job and really I appreciate their effort and pain. And they were able to arrest the accused Ajay Chaudhary from the Uttarakhand, and about 8 lakhs from their bank account we are able to recover. There are 3 more persons who has to be arrested, and we are hopeful very soon we will be able to apprehend them also. We have sent certain advisory to the banks also to take certain precautions, including making their control room 24/7, and upgrade their software. In fact, we have total 6,125 ATMs inside Odisha, out of which approximately 1,200 ATMs work on the Windows XP. This is a older version, and now much upgraded Windows 10 is available in the market. This Windows XP has certain problem. It's why they were able to hack it and do this crime. After the upgradation of the window, we are hopeful that these ATMs will be also protected, and we have advised banks also to use certain security norms, firewall, etc., to secure it. Rest I will request CP, he will brief you.
Thank you, sir. The series of ATM hacking incidents that we had in recent past, it was a real challenge for all of us in the commissionerate, and we took the challenge head on. My congratulations to both the DCPs and their team, which functioned round the clock for working out these cases. Some peculiar features of this crime were the malware that was used had a life of 16 hours. So after the ATM hacking took place, it will reside in the system only for 16 hours, and thereafter it will self-destruct itself, and no cyber fingerprint will be left in the ATM. And after 16 hours, it will not be possible to find out what software has been used. And in most of the instances, as you would see, the information given to police station was after 16 hours. In fact, the incident which took place under Airfield police station and Kharwel Nagar police station, it took place on the same night. But incident which under Kharwel Nagar police station, it was reported in delay of 4 to 5 days, because bank could find deficiency of cash at a much later date. So by that time, the malware had itself self-destructed itself, and there was no opportunity for cyber experts to find any clue from the ATM. February 25th onwards, there was a series of incidents of ATM hacking. सेतरे हमारे दुईटा टीम कराया था, कटक यूपीडी और भुवनेश्वर यूपीडी रे, और दुईटा टीम राउंड द क्लॉक से माने फंक्शन करते ले. हमें सबू बैंकर्स मानक को हमें डाकी थलु, जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर थे से को डकाई थला, से संग हमें आलोचना करतलु, से सिस्टम अंडरस्टैंड करने को हमें चेष्टा करतलु, केमती से सिस्टम काम करूची, और केमती एक जो नुआ क्राइमटा है केमती हैकिंगटा है पार से वनरेबिलिटी कोठे रही सेटा में बुझा को चेष्टा करतलु, और से हमें केते जिनस जाना को पाइलु, कोटे कोटे से वीक पॉइंट रही जाको से अभियुक्त माने व्यवहार करिसंती. से समय में जाना को पाइलु गोटे मालवेयर से यूज करुँच. मालवेयर हूँ गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर जो थोड़े एटीएम रे इंट्रोड्यूस कला परे एटीएम रा सॉफ्टवेयर टा जो ओरिजिनल सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छी सेटा काम करिवो नहीं और मेलवेयर विल टेक ओवर से ही सॉफ्टवेयर अनुजाई इंस्ट्रक्शन अनुजाई एटीएम फंक्शन करिवो और से थोड़े पासवर्ड एंट्री कला परे दे से एटीएम रा कमांड अभियुक्त हाथ रे आसी जाउथिला और तापरे से तार इच्छा मुताबिक से कमांड दउथिला और से टंकाटा बाहर करिके साने जाउथिले जो समय हमर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलीथिला ये क्राइम टा अन्य जगह जमी हो पारिबो नहीं से आम समस्त बैंकर संघ सर्विस प्रोवाइडर मान संग आलोचना करके आम केते से एडवाइजरी देथिलु से मुख्य एडवाइजरी थिला से जो यूएसबी पोर्ट अच्छी एटीएम रा को डिसेबल करने जो करेंसी एटीएम रे अपलोड कराउला तार संख्या कमाइबा 24/7 एटीएम रा ऑनलाइन मॉनिटरिंग पाई और ये सब एडवाइजरी जो हमारा लास्ट इंसिडेंट जो दिन में 5 मार्च में ये मीटिंग टा करथलु तापरे और किसी एटीएम हैकिंग का इंसिडेंट और रिपोर्ट है नहीं यार इन्वेस्टिगेशन समय रे प्राय 5 मिलियन कॉल डिटेल रिकॉर्ड विभिन्न लोकेशन रा दुईटा टीम एनालाइज कला सोशल मीडिया रे केते डाटा में आनी के एनालाइज करूँ और अल्टीमेटली से जो अभियुक्त माने थे से को मैं आइडेंटिफाई करी पारलु और से जने अभियुक्त रुद्रपुर उत्तराखंड रू धरा है और ताको आज फॉरवर्ड करा जीवो अन्य अभियुक्त फरार होती से धरवा चेष्टा चली